These are the top 5 tools every homeowner needs. Let's get after it. Let's start with our first thing here. A tool caddy. You're gonna need some sort of bag, or my choice would be the bucket with the bucket bag on it. You can use this bucket for hundreds of different things, right? You can use it for water leaks and pipes. You can use it for ice and put beer in it, put your spare parts in it. You can put hundreds of tools, not hundreds, but you can put tens of tools in the bucket. Next tool on the list, drill driver. Let's get after it. First tool on the list, or set of tools that I'm going to throw in the bucket that I think everybody needs, is a drill and an impact driver. They both have different functions. They both do different things. If you could just pick one of them, pick the drill. But I would highly suggest a combo kit. You definitely don't have to get Milwaukee. You get Ryobi, DeWalt, Rigid, Harbor Freight, whatever you can afford and whatever your needs may be is what you should buy. Now, with that being said, you need bits for it, or else it's kind of useless, right? But go out and get yourself a nice bit set. Whatever it may be, prices vary. So this is going to be for your impact. Now for a drill, go ahead and pick yourself up a nice drill bit set. These are the Warriors from Harbor Freight. I like them because they're cheap. $10 is what you can find them for. They have 29 different sizes in there. I usually beat the fucking first 5 of them, and then my next set is usually pretty solid. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick for a homeowner. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick the M12s. Drill, impact, super simple. I'm going to throw that right in there. That's first in our bucket. Let's get to our next one. Next tool on the list, easily, the tape measure. Again, does not matter the brand. Harbor Freight's got a tape measure for fucking $5. You can't build shit unless you can measure it, right? Now, when you're going out to pick your tape measures, you're going to want to be able to pull lengths for bedrooms, for couches, for siding, for roofing, whatever you have to do. You're going to want to be able to pull the extra 9 feet or whatever it is. So definitely go with the 25. Don't go with the 16. Go 25 footer, not 16. Let's move on to our third tool. Third tool on the list, hammer. Demolition, pulling nails out, pounding nails in, pounding stakes in for your wife's fucking plastic fencing. I don't know. But a hammer is number 3 on the list. I would go with a 16-ounce hammer. This is a 21-ounce. I would go with a 16-ounce or something a little smaller. You don't need something this big unless you want the leverage on there. Unless you know you're doing remodeling, then get the leverage. But for a small homeowner's kit, you can get away with a smaller hammer than a larger one. Hammer, self-explanatory. Breaking shit down, pounding shit in, pulling shit out. Easy day. Let's put that in our bucket and move on to number 4. Number 4 on the list, screwdriver. 6-in-1, normal, whatever it is. Make sure you have a Phillips and a flat. You're going to need a flat for outlets. You're going to need a Phillips to hang pictures, TVs, whatever it is. I like these 6-in-1s from Harbor Freight. They're $2. Flip your bit. Have whatever you want on there, whether it's flat, Phillips. This is a Milwaukee one. I overpaid for this one. This one's nice because you got like a 5/16 quarter. You can do all that stuff. Definitely add a screwdriver to your kit. You're going to need it as a homeowner. I grab this all the time. Tightening cabinet doors, tightening. Take the $2 one from Harbor Freight, toss it in your bucket, and let's go. Number 5 tool I'm going to throw in the box is pliers. Whether it's linemen's, needle nose, diagonal cutters, water pump pliers, slip joint pliers, whatever you want to call them, whatever brand you guys want to use. I would definitely recommend picking up a variety, a kit of them. Harbor Freight, you can pick up a kit of 5 or 6 different pliers for like 20 bucks. You can start with those, and then as you go through and figure out what pliers you use the most, whether it's the needle nose or the lineman or the diagonal for zip ties, whatever, you can buy specific brands that maybe make a better one, like Channel Locks or Milwaukee or whatever. But these are just a couple cheap ones that I had. I just picked up the Icons, and I'm in love with the Icons. I just have a singular Milwaukee needle nose. Well, I'm gonna go through. I'm just gonna throw a cheap set of linemen's in the bucket. Probably my Milwaukee needle nose, and then my Milwaukee water pump pliers. I'm gonna slip those right in the front of the bucket here, and where is that at? Pliers. I'm gonna do a total of this bucket right now, drop some prices on screen, and let's walk through it. All right, so your bucket and caddy to start out is gonna be 15 bucks. Your tape measure is gonna be 5. These are all Harbor Freight prices. Your plier set of pliers is gonna be 20. Your drill and impact with a battery and a charger is gonna be 100. Your hammer is gonna be 7. Your screwdriver's 3 bucks for a total of 150 bucks. These prices can go up whether you use Klein, Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, whatever your brand is. These prices can go from 150 all the way up. Get out there, pick up what works best for you guys. This is series 1 of the video of my top 5 for homeowners. I got about 7 more coming that's going to do electrical, plumbing, and everything above. So stay tuned. Let's try to build this tool bucket. I want to do under 500, but let's try to build this tool bucket under $1,000 for you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.